Hello, dear students. Today we are going to start our next topic, pressure. Dear students, have you ever noticed that when you stand on a mattress, it sinks much deeper than when you lie down on it? Yes, it is due to pressure difference. Because while standing, our body puts more pressure on mattress than while we are lying on it. मीन्स जब हम गद्दों पे खड़े होते हैं तो हमारी बॉडी ज़्यादा प्रेशर डालती है बजाय उसके कि जब हम उस पर लेटते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट्स, लेट अस अंडरस्टैंड दिस concept ऑफ प्रेशर डिफरेंस with the help of an activity. Dear students, have you ever noticed that it is difficult to cut an apple with a blunt knife than a sharp knife? It is because the area of contact of blunt knife with apple is more than sharp knife. जो blunt knife है वो ज़्यादा contact में उसका area आता है apple के साथ instead of sharp knife. If practically we observe the same activity, suppose if we apply the same force with the blunt knife and sharp knife. Firstly, in case of blunt knife, when we try to cut an apple, it would be difficult for us to cut an apple. Blunt knife से एप्पल को कट करना difficult होगा. It is because we are applying force on larger area of blunt knife. जो blunt knife है उसके larger area पे हम force apply कर रहे हैं. That's why it would be difficult for us to cut an apple. But in second case, when we try to cut an apple with sharp knife, the area of contact is less. जब हम शार्प नाइफ से एप्पल को कट करने की कोशिश करते हैं क्योंकि शार्प है वो आगे से और जो एरिया ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट शार्प के साथ है तो उतनी फोर्स अप्लाई कर रहे हैं तो ईजिली वी कैन कट एन एप्पल. तो एप्पल को आसानी से हम कट कर सकते हैं. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दिस कंबाइंड इफेक्ट ऑफ फोर्स एंड एरिया इज कॉल्ड प्रेशर. दैट इज प्रेशर इज इक्वल टू फोर्स अपॉन एरिया. प्रेशर किस पे डिपेंड करता है? फोर्स पे और एरिया के ऊपर. Now for a given force, there are three results. First one, smaller is the area of contact, higher is the pressure. जितना area of contact smaller होगा उतना pressure high होगा. For example, force हम apply कर रहे हैं 10 न्यूटन और area of contact कितना है 5 स्क्वायर मीटर. तो 10 डिवाइडेड बाई 5 हमारे पास रिजल्ट कितना आएगा 2 न्यूटन पर स्क्वायर मीटर. Now in case of second example, we have decreased the area of contact. Instead of 5 we have taken now 2. Then 10 divided by 2, the result will be 5 Newton per square meter. So you can see students, if area of contact decreased, the pressure will increased. Area of contact decrease करेंगे तो pressure increase हो जाएगा. So second point, larger is the area of contact, lesser is the pressure. For example, in A case, the area of contact was 5 square meter, the pressure was 2 Newton per square meter. Now third result, dear students, for a fixed area of contact, अगर area of contact हम fix रखें, the pressure exerted increases with increase in force और vice versa. अगर हम force increase करेंगे तो pressure increase होगा, force decrease करेंगे तो pressure decrease होगा. For example, firstly we was applying the force 10 Newton on 5 square meter area. Then the result of pressure was 2 Newton per square meter. Then we increased our force 10 to 30 Newton on the same area. Then the result becomes 6 Newton per square meter. So result हमारा देख सकते हो आप pressure का increase हो गया. Means dear students, if we increase the force on same area, the value of pressure increases. Now dear students, there is one more numerical to understand this concept. In numerical it is given that the mass of the girl is 50 kg and the area of cross section of the heel on which she is standing, it is 1 square centimeter. एक अगर हील की बात करें तो उसका जो टचिंग पार्ट है ग्राउंड के साथ वो हील का उसका एरिया गिवन है 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. एंड इन सेकंड केस, मास ऑफ द एलिफेंट इज गिवन 2000 kg and area of cross section of the foot of an elephant is 250 square centimeter. मीन्स जो टचिंग पार्ट एलिफेंट का फुट का है वो उसका एरिया 250 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर गिवन है. नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड, डियर स्टूडेंट्स, between these two, which of the two exerts more pressure on the ground. This one thing we have to find. So let us firstly calculate the pressure exerted by the girl. The mass of the girl is 50 kg and force exerted by the girl. For that, firstly we have to find the force exerted by 1 kg. That is 1 kgf is equal to 9.8 Newton, and for numerical we use 10 Newton. And so for 50 kgf it will be 50 into 10 Newton, that is 500 Newton. Now area of cross section we have to find. For the single heel it is 1 square centimeter, and for both heels dear student it will be 2 into 1 square centimeter. क्योंकि सिंगल हील है तो उसका 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर हमें गिवन था, तो दोनों हील्स का कितना बन जाएगा 2 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. नाउ square centimeter we have to change into square meter, then we will divide by 10,000, then the result will become 2 divided by 10,000 square meter. Now dear students, as we know pressure is equal to force divided by area. Put the value of force, that is 500 Newton, and put the value of area, that is 2 upon 10,000 square meter. Now for the calculation we have to change the sign of division into multiplication. For that we have to do the reciprocal of the last term. So 2 upon 10,000 will change into 10,000 upon 2, and then we can cancel 2 with the 10,000, we will get 5,000. Now simple calculation left. 500 multiplied by 5,000, we will get 25 lakh Newton per square meter. So this one was the pressure exerted by the girl. Now we will calculate for the elephant. Now mass of the elephant is 2000 kg, and for the force we will multiply it by 10 Newton, then we will get 2000 multiplied by 10, that is 20,000 Newton. This is the value of force. Now dear students, we will find the area of cross section of all the 4 feet of the elephant. But given for 1 foot is 250 square centimeter, then for 4 feet we will multiply by 4, then 4 into 250 centimeter square. But we have to change it into meter square, then we will divide it by 10,000, then what we will get, 4 multiplied by 250 upon 10,000. Now we can multiply 4 by 250, that is 1000 upon 10,000. Now cancel 1000 with 10,000, you will get 1 upon 10 square meter. Now dear students, as we know that pressure is equal to force divided by area. Now put the value of force, that is force is equal to 20,000 Newton, and put the value of area also, and that is we have calculated recently 1 upon 10 square meter. Now dear student, we have to change the sign of divide into multiply, then we have to do the reciprocal of last term, that is 1 upon 10 will change into 10 upon 1 square meter. Now 20,000 multiplied by 10, you will get 2 lakh Newton per square meter. So this is the value of pressure exerted by 4 feet of elephant. Now dear students, the pressure exerted by girl, it was 25 lakh Newton per square meter, and pressure exerted by elephant was 2 lakh Newton per square meter. So clearly pressure exerted by girl is more, but how much time it is more than elephant? Then we have to divide the both values, then after dividing we will get 12.5. Means girl exerts 12.5 times more pressure than elephant.